My people, hope say una dey rest well because e dey necessary make person rest well. Na person wey rest well dey fit work well. So as we talk before, na the matter of salvation. Now I can't tell una again. Think am, if your papa called you, he can't call your name, John. How many times I call you? It means say he won't make you pay attention, and wetin he won't talk, it dey important. Now the same way when they gather all the times wey salvation they talk about Bible or explain am, now 182 times. That 182 times, it means say that serious matter. That Bible wey we dey look, wey we dey read am, not be for us to get sense for business, na to get sense to understand salvation wey dey inside Christ Jesus, or it is inside Jesus Christ. So not be wetin you go look, just pick one thing comot waka. Na to understand the whole. So when we dey read Bible, we go read am together. Some people go say, na only New Testament I dey read, I no dey read Old Testament. Now wetin you wan come understand for Bible? Make we know say that New Testament, e dey explain the Old Testament. You understand wetin I dey talk? We no begin rush, say Bible don talk this, talk that, say Bible dey against itself. No, we go need to dey look am well, small. And I don talk say salvation mean deliverance from the power of darkness, from the power of sin. So sharply, I go point out some places for Bible where this salvation appear. As I tell you, I say na 182 times. Make it not be like say I dey blow lie. I no go tell you wetin not the Bible. So I go start with Exodus 15:2, Deuteronomy 32:15. 1 Samuel 11:13, 1 Samuel 19:5, 1 Chronicles 16:23, Psalm 13 verse 5. Okay, make we come forward. Come New Testament. Titus 2:11, 2 Timothy 3:15, 2 Timothy 2:10, 2 Thessalonians 2:13, 1 Thessalonians 5:9. You see all this one, they're plenty, they're full ground. We not go finish them today. If you say we want to read them one by one, why? The reason we say they try to point out, say this salvation matter important past every other thing when you see for Bible. So anytime you read Bible, understand say it's supposed to teach you the way thing go make your mind shine. It will make you shine your eye concerning salvation. Now, I don't succeed to explain what this salvation be and how many times it appear for Bible and how important for us. So for the next one, I go begin talk how God take do this salvation, how he take make this salvation take happen. Okay, now who do the salvation? The next one we'll find out who make this salvation happen and why we need this salvation. Now wetin I go want explain to us. So make we try shook eye for this channel, make we shine eye follow am, because as you dey look am, na so you go begin understand when you listen to the next one. God bless you now, make una no run with full ground.